Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Artsy Hub. This is Anudip Karkera here, and in today's video, let us see how we can draw and paint this objective drawing. So it's going to be a step-by-step process. Hope this video is helpful. Let's begin. After completion, you can share the picture with me in my WhatsApp or in my Instagram. You can inbox me for corrections. Here, if you notice that jug, it is symmetric on the left side, and the right side it is a little different, but the shape is overall same. So you have to get that left side and right side of that curve proper. And even the bowl, it's symmetric, left side and right side have to match. Next, when you're selecting a brush, don't use a very small brush for this. Use a big brush because you're covering a big region over here. Now initially, I've taken a big brush and I've taken Persian blue here, the dark blue, and spreading it with water. As you can see here, I am taking the paint using the tip of the brush and I'm blending it with the sides of the brush. Please do notice this. You can even paint the cherries first and then paint the vase since it's a light color. The white regions that I've left is the reflections, since it's like a ceramic material. The detailing, we'll have to do it once again using a small brush because once it's dried it settles. Now I'm using orange in the beginning and a little bit of red. So first orange and then red, and then I'm gonna add a few brown mixed with red at the corners just to give more depth. The white regions have to be a little less, it's the reflections. It's better to always have a tissue by your side. I'm using an angular blush, and as you can see, the finishing is very neat when compared to the round brush here. A little bit of shadows at the bottom. The blue of the vase has become lighter now, so we have to do it once again a little darker. You can mix Persian blue. If you want it still dark, you can mix Persian blue and black. The shadows and the stem. Now I'm adding brown, and even for the stem it's going to be brown. That's how we add the depth. You can use the dark brown. If you're confused, use the dark brown. I'm trying to remove the paints which have entered inside because it's white inside. That's the mistake that happened. Next, neatly giving the outline here using the sap green. I have mixed sap green and brown over here to get this tone. This is one of my favorite colors. I'm gonna add more sap green. Next, continuing the same sap green and blending it with the help of water. If you notice, I've not taken a lot of water here. Only when I'm spreading it I use much of water. So it's not going to be just one color here, one shade of green. We have mixed brown, so that is how it looks very good at the background. Next, carefully doing this leftover part, and we are not supposed to spread it too many times, add paint too many times, as the marks would come. That's why you can still make it dark at the bottom. I'll just keep it in this way. Next, for the cloth, I'm gonna add some blue, like stripes, adding a little more detailing for this cloth. Now I'm not going to use black color directly. If you want to use black color, you can mix it with dark blue, a little bit of black to your dark blue, and then add. Now once again, I'm gonna add more detailing here using dark blue, only dark blue. I've not used black, it's all dark blue. Even here, this is dark blue that I've used, even for the shadows, even for the stem. The blue, when mixed with brown, has turned green. That's how the stem has turned green. We have almost come to the finishing stage here, just adding a bit of shadow. Once again, one more layer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Have a nice day.